I will miss this place so much. But before I go and move away and move on in my life, I want to do a last unboxing on this awesome campus. So yeah. By the way, if you look there, my room is right there. Oh yeah, I had a beautiful view on this amazing front yard or campus or however you want to call it. But before I go, I want to do a last unboxing, and here it is. It's a BB-10 Attack Type Stadium. Oh yeah, that's so amazing. I finally got another one. My old one was broken. It had holes in the walls and all that stuff. Yeah, pretty bad. But I will open this. Can you see this? Yeah. Here we go. My new BB-10 Attack Type Stadium. I'll put this away. And boom chakalaka. Okay, some dirt on there. Okay, here it is. My new BB-10 Attack Type Stadium. I will show that to you from the top. It's super clear, you can see through. Wow. Yeah. Super clear, you can see through. And there's also some other stuff that came with it. I will open that too. Here we go. And first of all, we got these stickers. I don't know if I will put these on or not, but I will probably do that. I don't know. But yeah, and I also got these instructions or manuals. These instruction manuals. Okay. No, manuals. Yeah, that's how it's called. And also I got these awesome fences here. Fancy fences. Yeah, got that here. Awesome fences. But yeah, that's basically my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.